my brothers and sisters. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are coming from. If today is your first time come across my video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification so that anytime I post video, you will be the first to see. Today we don't come again with many things, so may you stay tuned and watch.
Let me talk to you people, Benin people. Benin people be like fowl. If you throw corn for ground, they go rush you. Once they chop the corn finish, they don't go. What it make that they say Ishan people wicked? Because we know they take oppression. You do me, I do you. You think I'm joking? May they just open church opposite here now. May they just say the pastor they shout fire, 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 fire. Your member go from back they enter. They don't follow front. Are you angry with me? Look at what they are doing to their own brother now. Their own brother. When Shomule was in position, when he came out for second turn, nobody from his village object him. Now they fight themselves. What a shame. Now I need advice. If you are an Ishan person, you vote for APC. In this church, you're in fire. All of you PDP, because they want to take our space. Are you aware of that? We are supposed to rule after this man. I will come on air tomorrow to address it on air. And the whole kings in Ishan have Lagos. No PPCO. Your whole people, they fight themselves. You are happy. You are happy. Simple agenda. What is simple? Is the man not working? Or Baseki is working? If you give this man 4 years, add it to this one, this NEPA rotation of light will stop. Look up. They are testing it tomorrow. Tomorrow here. And the man is creating a seaport. Gele. I see yet an idiot said that he has a simple agenda. That simple agenda will never manifest. I am not a politician. No. Even if he comes here and I say, Pastor, pray for me, I will still pray for him. Say, I came here, I allow him to enter. I will still pray for him. Anyone, I will pray for them. But in my heart, I know the meaning of the prayer. Simple agenda. All of them, they clap. They fight themselves. When you are supposed to be united, say, go and rule. Finish your tenure. Hear this. What Photoshop? It is not Obaseki. It is Nemesis. You don't fight their hand that feed you. You didn't hear me at all. You don't fight their hand that feed you. It is not Obaseki that gave him extension from the office. It was Nemesis, the Lord Kama.
Mr. Chairman, thank you for yielding the floor to me, Mr. Chairman. Do I have the floor?
Yeah, you have the floor.
All right. Mr. Chairman, MD, the first point I want to make is that you should not be irritated that we are asking you questions about the budget under Section 80 of the 1999 Constitution, which guides us. Apart from lawmaking, the other job we do is oversight. We have this power of the purse. It's one of the strongest, one of the most important powers we have. Power of the purse. That purse is the budget. And that is why virtually every question we are asking you here has to do with the budget. The budget is very important, even to private individuals, because you are not expected as an agency to spend money outside your budget. I hope you know that. Yes. Now, you told us under oath right here that you are still preparing to pay money to students who are on scholarship. Now, we are aware that you don't have a 2020 budget yet. What you are operating is the 2019 budget, which, as you know and as we know, ended May 31st, 2020. We are now in July, so you are not expected to be spending money from budget 2019 that expired. From where are you going to spend this money you said here on oath that you are preparing to pay students who are on scholarship? Are you aware that every expenditure you make from 31st May till date are not
I don't see that video now. Sure, I don't see the video. No problem. So that man now they faint. You know why I won't do this video? Why I won't do this video because of the way where Nigerians say they do tribalism. This Hausa, they are carrying all the money. The Igbos are not having money. South are not having money. This man na South. Money where they carry give and make they do something. I ain't rubbish finish. That man where they close to Ram. You see that man where they close to Ram, there where sit down closer, where we are at cap, na Agbo man. If you don't know that Agbo man, na him be Karo Ojigbo. Nobody will go say he come from Agbo and not know Karo Ojigbo. You dey hear me? Everybody know Karo Ojigbo. Now Karo Ojigbo sit down close to them. Now they give that man advice. Waiting, they give him advice. They tell him what he want talk. When I was there, this all of them, no Nigeria were good. Hausa, Yoruba, Igbo, all of them, no one. All of them they bezzle this money. They bezzle money when it be say they go take use and they do good thing for their own place. They embezzle the money. They say Hausa this, Hausa that, Igbo this. No, all of us not the same. The money when it be say we go feel use, they do better thing. Now we they use, they do other things. No. Make them stop that behavior. It's very bad. You dey hear me? It's very bad. You do this corruption, man. Hey, it's all corrupt.
That's brother.
Alex good. Man's good, eh? Yeah, you understand me? So this money belongs to all of us, but they go chop on one side. The moment people when you say they carry tribe for head. I also don't chop the whole money. Fulani will be slave for Fulani. All money they come their hands. All of us they bezzle the money. Whether it's Igbo, may you be say where you be saying as in. What now? I hope for hand be say before I go know say if Igbo. If we were people, if we call ourselves, if we call ourselves for Biafra, waiting at the first tip say, if the feed do any state where they for Igbo land, if the feed do may be like Europe or America, I would be happy where we. So I will feel they say, hey, wow, we want to take Igbo because our state, that state or Anambra state or Imo state, those places good. You understand me? They good. They have good thing. All the whole state where the Nigerians that is the same. No one were better. So why be say those Igbo men where be say that they rule their own state? Why they not feel make that state good? So that you go believe say if Biafra don't take over, they will feel make their own state good. They not feel make them good. All of us we are the same. Anywhere you go, we are the same. You dey hear me? All Africa are the same. Nobody can rule a country. Nobody, no single body can rule a country. I said it again. No single country where go rule a country. No single black man where go feel rule country. Now my own thought be that. If you like, believe. If you don't like, don't believe. You're on your own. Thank you so much. I come in peace. I'm going in peace.